All right, class, lesson 40 in math today. Let's take the power up first. It's power up E. Go ahead and put your name at the top. It's division. Let's go across. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 48 divided by 8 is 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 72 divided by 9 is 8. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 0 divided by 4 is 0. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 2 divided by, read it backwards, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 63 divided by 9 is 7. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 64 divided by 8 is 8. 27 divided by 9 is 3. And 56 divided by 7 is 8. All right, let's take care of our mental math. Number 1 says, what time is 22 minutes after 3:15? So we're at 3:15, and we're going to go after, so you're going to add 22 minutes. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. And bring down the 3. 3:37 p.m. B, 600 times 4. Times 4. 0, 0, 24. 2,400. C, it says 12 inches is 1 foot. How many inches is a half a foot? So 12 divided by 2 would be a half. Would be 6 inches. Then it says how many inches would be 1.5 feet. Well, you got a half a foot is 6 and a whole foot is 12. You're going to add those to get 1.5 feet. It'd be 18 inches. And the last one says 2.5 feet. So we got 12 plus 6 equals 18. That's 1.5 foot. So if we're going to add another foot, add 12, and you get 30 inches. We got D, fractional parts. What's 1/2 of 21? We had this in our assignment yesterday. When we get 21, we're going to find the closest even number, which is 20. Cut that in half is 10, and then take that last one and give it the hi-ya. 10 and a half. E, 10 times 100 cents. You can hang the 0 out. And you actually got $10. F. F says, what is 50% of $20? When I say 50%, you say 1/2. What's half of $20? 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 0. 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Half of $20 is $10. You probably knew that already. G says the shirt is on sale for 25% off of the regular price of $20. How much is 1/4 of 20? When I say 25%, you say 1/4. 1/4 of $20. Now you probably know that that 4 goes into 20 5 times. And the last one, it's a long one. I'm going to put her on the bottom down here. You got 4 times 2 equals 8. Plus 1 equals 9. Times 3 equals 27. Plus 3 equals 30. Divided by 3 equals 10. Good job. Divide that by 2, and you get 5. Let's go bowling. No, for real. Let's go bowling. Here's how you're going to solve this problem. So you're going to make or use a table chart or graph. It says in bowling, a spare occurs when 2 rolls are used to knock down all the pins. Now, a strike is when you use 1 ball to knock down all the pins. This is a spare, 2 pins. Knocking down 3 pins on the first roll and 7 on the second roll is one way to bowl a spare. What are all the possible ways to bowl a spare? Well, you got to understand the plan and the solve, but we really like to see their chart there. Check out their chart. Let's get it on our paper here. Usually it's about the time where I challenge the whole class to a bowling contest, and then we go bowling for a field trip, and I buy all these prizes, and, well, last year I won first place, and Mrs. Knippel won second place, and we got the king-size candy bars, but the kids tried. All right, first roll and second roll. So in the first roll, let's say you got 0 pins, and the second roll you got 10 pins. That would equal a spare. On the first roll you got 1 pin. On the second roll you got 9 pins. 1 plus 9 equals 10. You got a spare. On the first roll you got 2. You see how these are going up by 1 and down by 1. 2 plus 8 equals 10, spare. 3 plus 7 equals 10, spare. 4 plus 6 equals 10, spare. 5 plus 5 equals 10, spare. Now you have to do 6 plus 4 because this is the first roll, so you're still different. 6 plus 4 equals 10, spare. 7 plus 3 equals 10, spare. 8 plus 2, spare. 9 plus 1, spare. And now some kids are like, well, Mr. Bauer, you get 0 and 10. Why don't you go 10 and 0 here? Because if you got 10 on the first one, you won't get a second one because that's called a strike. So how many different ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different ways to get a spare. And in bowling, there's only one way to get a strike. All right. In our next video, we're going to take a look at our new concept, which is writing quotients with a mixed number. Writing quotient with a mixed number is going to be a little bit different than using a remainder. So catch you on the next one.